Telegram for Business, this messenger, what does it offer for businesses? Let's break it down. So what we know about Telegram, this is a messenger. The second world messenger right after WhatsApp. Do you know WhatsApp? I think everyone uses WhatsApp and everyone knows it, but in my opinion, just my opinion, Telegram is more convenient than WhatsApp, to be honest. Well, moreover, 800 million users of Telegram right now, and it offers extensive opportunities for business promotion. So what's inside? First of all, it's a messenger, so you can communicate with your clients here, and not only in person, but you can use your helpers like chatbots. Have you heard about them? If you want, I can shoot new video about chatbots. It's easy to set, and I think just several steps in 15 minutes. So let me know in comments if you really need video like that. So you can set your own chatbot and you can make it communicate with your potential clients. And chatbots works like special script of communication. It's a script of interactions with your clients. So you write down special scenarios step by step and chatbot starts working. Your client starts your chatbot and then it answers like, hello, who are you? Let's talk about your needs. What do you need? And then your potential client can choose an answer and the interaction starts. The next opportunity is your own channel of your business. So you can create a channel which will be dedicated to your business, and you can communicate with your potential clients, again, with your targeted audience. So everyone can have their own channels on Telegram, and every business can do the same. So for example, you are an expert in your industry, for example, you're a blogger, and you can have your own channel on Telegram. Then you can show the link in your blog, for example, on Instagram, and say to your subscribers something like, oh, guys, come to my channel. There we will talk about this, and this. You can separate your content plan between two social networks, for example, Instagram. There you have posts, reels, stories, and Telegram with long read articles on any topic you are specialized in. But if you have a business, so you are not supposed to be an expert like a personal brand or blog or something like that, you have business. And you can also create your own channel dedicated to your business. And you can start talking about your goods, your services, something like that. So you can post recommendations, feedbacks, and so on. Every useful piece of information for your targeted audience. And you can also lead your own channel on Telegram. And of course, it doesn't matter which business you have. For all industries, having their own channel is okay. You have online shop or you have a big company which works with B2B clients, like business to business clients. It's okay to have your own channel, and you can attract your own targeted audience and potential clients too. What can you do in your channels? You can write posts, interact with your audience in comments. You can also post photos, videos, even stories. What about the promotion for this channel? So the thing is that it doesn't work like, for example, shorts on YouTube. So if you have successful shot you posted, you can attract lots of audiences for free. Yeah, so for example, the theme of your YouTube short was wide and funny or something like that. So, and lots of people found that, oh, this author knows something about, and that is why you can get a lot of attention here. Unfortunately, Telegram channels, they don't have viral promotion. So things you can do is to buy some ads for your channel to attract new people. So first of all, you can find some channels, the same topics, or maybe you know that your targeted audience is here in these channels, and you can connect with them, with their administrators, and get some ad posts. So your channel will get new audiences just because it has been mentioned in other channels. Just before we are going further on this topic, please don't forget to thumb this video up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do it? Do it? Okay, let's go further. The second way is using targeted ads, and it's called Telegram ads, and this is official tool from Telegram, and it means that you can buy ad placements from Telegram itself, not from other channels. You don't need to connect with the administrators of other channels and so on. It's official tool. So what you need to do to activate your ad account? First of all, you need to have 1,500 euros. Fortunately or unfortunately, but it's minimum sum of money to start your ad account. It doesn't mean that Telegram brings this money and that's all. So just like, oh, we open an account for you and that's all. Thank you for your money. No, it means that you will get your money on your ad account, but for opening this account, you will pay a commission. And it depends on the topic of your channel. So for example, topics like education, such channels pay 30% of commission. So lots of money, I think, but in fact, you get an opportunity to promote your channel among your targeted audiences, and you don't need to communicate with the admins of other channels. So it's easier. I think it's more comfortable for advertisers like us. I also have a video how to set up new ad campaigns on Telegram ads. So see this link below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also check my Instagram account. So if you like this video, please thumb it up and don't forget to subscribe. See you later in new videos. Bye.